Hey, what's up? So what I want to talk about in this video is the importance of appreciating the embryological side of things when it comes to understanding the evolution of various features like the human digestive system, right? Because, even if you explain, all that I laid out on the other video I talked about where I talked about the evolution of the digestive system, if you explain, that in order to have a fully functional digestive system, you don't need a mouth or anus or esophagus or stomach, intestines, coelom, liver, pancreas, jaw, teeth, tongue. You don't need any of that to come about all at once in order to have a fully functional digestive system. If you break all that down, break down the various evolutionary steps, someone could still have difficulty visualizing, how could chance mutations give rise to the various steps necessary to go from having no digestive system to the human digestive system. That could be difficult to visualize. For me, it was a lot more difficult to visualize before I had as much of an appreciation for understanding the importance of the embryological side of things, not just the evolutionary side of things, but the embryological developmental side of things. Because us humans, like all living things, we grow and develop. And in your earliest stages of development, you're microscopic in size, right? So small that it's a size that the human eye cannot see on its own without help of something like a microscope. You're just one single cell, only one cell, not even a clump of cells. In your earliest stages of development, you're just one cell, right? And it doesn't have the form of an adult human. It doesn't have any of the digestive anatomy, no mouth or anus or anything in between, none of that. And there is a gradual process of development of the digestive system, right, which scientists observe, right? They observe it happen, right? And there are mutations which can alter how this process happens in all types of ways. It can lead to, all types of anomalous conditions, like a person could be born with 2 anuses or 2 stomachs. A person could be born with no jaw, no lower jaw, all types of crazy conditions can come about through mutations, right? Because the DNA, which is a molecule, it has the instructions for how your digestive system will become set up, right? And so, mutations can cause all types of changes to how it develops, right? And many of these mutations are not good. Many of them are very bad. Some of them cause the baby to die shortly after birth, shortly after birth, if not before birth, right? And so doctors have to intervene and fix a lot of these F-ups that happen through the process, right? And this is far from what we would expect if every individual human body is individually designed by an all-knowing creator. This is as opposed to these human bodies forming through natural processes, right? So, all right, that's all for now.